Day 5, code enforcement, how investors actually get caught. You are not invisible. Cities don't hunt randomly. They respond to signals you create. Today I'm giving you the 5 triggers that put you on their radar so you can stay clean, quiet, and profitable. Here's the problem. You think demolition happens in isolation, like it's your private little project. It's not. Every visible action creates a trail. Neighbors watch. Trash trucks notice. Utility crews notice. And once somebody pings the system, you're in it forever. And the cost of getting flagged is brutal. Daily fines can run $500 to $1,000 a day. Then the fun part, forced tear-outs, missed inspections, delayed closings, buyers spook, lenders stall. Title starts asking questions you cannot answer. One small shortcut turns into a dead deal. Trigger number 1, neighbor complaints. This is the number 1 source. Not the city, not drones. A pissed off neighbor with a phone. They photograph, they timestamp, they report. And when they report, they don't say, I think. They say, no permit posted at this address. Trigger number 2, visible street signs. Dumpsters sitting past a week. Demo debris. Exposed framing. A crew parking like they own the block. Look, you can be doing everything right and still get a drive-by check. Visibility is an invitation, and most investors leave that invitation on the curb. Trigger number 3, utility flags. Those colored flags mean underground work, gas, electric, water. Inspectors see flags and ask one question. Where's the permit? 2022, Phoenix. A flip on West Stella. My borrower said the contractor told him permits were optional. He believed him. Trigger number 4 and 5, pattern recognition. Inspectors already in the area doing a multi-site sweep. And once they catch one property, they fan out. That Phoenix deal got hit with an stop work order in 48 hours. 3 weeks stalled. 2 walls opened back up. He saved money, then paid for it twice. Always. So how do you stay invisible? Control the neighbors first. A simple pre-work letter, your timeline, a real contact number, then limit visibility. Schedule dumpsters for 3 days, not 9. Keep the site clean. Stage materials out of sight. And before flags go in the ground, call the city and verify the protocol. Now I'm going to coach you hard. 3 deadly mistakes. 1, we'll be quick, no one will notice. No, you'll be sloppy and everyone will notice. 2, letting the dumpster sit a few more days. That's a billboard. 3, assuming flags are just contractor stuff. That excuse will not pay your fines. Here's the takeaway. Code enforcement doesn't target you. You trigger them. Your homework on your current project, list the 5 triggers and then mark which ones apply. Then eliminate them before demo day. That's called invisible mode. Not hiding, operating like a pro. I'll see you in the next lesson. Go run your project like it matters.